Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Barry's Prison Run. Okay, so obviously you can't teleport right now, so you'll have to find a way to go to that area. You're just going to go here. I don't know why it keeps teleporting me. But you're just going to go here, keep punching, and you'll go to this area. You're just going to keep going. Wow, this is annoying. I don't know why it's doing that, even though I'm not really teleporting anywhere. Oh, there we go. And you're just going to look at these buttons and see where you're supposed to go. Oh, I just died. But don't worry, it's not that long. Like the teleportation, I guess. I don't know what you're supposed to do on this area, but you're just going to jump over there, like here. I'm trying to show it to you guys. Okay, apparently I can't press it anymore, so oh my god, I was almost there. So like stick to the wall. I'm not very good at obbies, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, that's how you can play. I'm not going to like do a full walkthrough because it's gonna take me hours, and this tutorial will take hours to complete. There we go. So just stick to the wall and just jump like that. Okay, almost there. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but there we go. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.